Hello, little learners. Today, we are going to learn about a beautiful Indian festival called Raksha Bandhan.
Look, what is this colorful bracelet? It is called a Rakhi. Happy Raksha Bandhan, brother. Thank you.
Raksha Bandhan is a special festival celebrated in India. It celebrates the beautiful bond between brothers and sisters. Raksha Bandhan is also a happy time for sweets and gifts.
Raksha Bandhan is a time for brothers and sisters to show that they love and care for each other.
Brothers and sisters may also give each other gifts as a way to show love. Raksha Bandhan is a family celebration. Everyone gets together.
Let's remember what we learned. Rakhi, a special bracelet. Brother and sister, a special bond.
Brother, sister, love. Great job!
Can you say it with me?
Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi.
Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love, care, and togetherness. Happy Raksha Bandhan, little learners. Bye-bye!